You have glaucoma? Watch this video.
Got pressure in your eyes? This is how you can use 4 points on a daily basis to decrease the pressure in your eyes. And if you've been diagnosed with glaucoma, you got pressure in your eyes. So here's 4 points in addition to the drops that you can use. The first point, you're gonna find the middle of your eyebrow, okay? Right here, you're gonna press. It's gonna feel really sore, okay? You're gonna rub it for 10 seconds. Second point, at the inside of your eyebrow, again, there's little divots, little holes. It's gonna be super sore, okay? That's pressure number 2. Point number 3, at the outside of your eyes, right here, you're gonna rub it, okay? It's gonna feel sore. Point number 4, it's right below your eyes, a little divot right there. You're gonna do this for 10 seconds. You're gonna do all 4 points, 10 seconds each, every single day. This is Jimmy Yen, the acupuncture guy from Achieve Integrative Health. And so you're gonna do all these in addition to your eye drops to help you reduce